We are here this afternoon to, in fact, make an announcement regarding the Nadi municipality. As you know, Mr. Robin Ali is the new Special Administrator, who's been working quite hard over the last few weeks in terms of regularizing some of the practices or anomalies that used to exist within the municipality, and he's given us a preliminary report. But also as part of including members of the community of Nadi in terms of providing their assistance to expediting some of the reforms that is needed in Nadi, within the municipality of Nadi. We're quite happy to announce that we've had the volunteering by these gentlemen who's sitting around us to assist the SA with some of the matters that will arise in terms of improving the infrastructure, in terms of the general outlook of Nadi, and some of the long-term plans that need to be put in place to ensure that people become more involved, the ratepayers of Nadi become more involved, and better services are provided to them. So just by way of introduction, we have Mr. Bob Lyon to my left, who's a former banker and is the current chair of FDB. Businessman in his own right. Next to him is Mr. Tony Witten, who of course is a leading tourism operator, is an inbound operator, and also runs a number of properties. And we have Mr. Dr. Raymond Fong, I should say, the medical practitioner. He's also former councillor of the municipality of Nadi. On my, of course, right is the SA, and next to him is Mr. Hemant Masuria, who is a well-known architect. He brings his skill sets to this particular advisory group. Mr. Krishna Murthy, who is the executive director of one of the major retailers and investors in Fiji of the Tapus Group. And then next to him is, of course, Mr. Dilip Khatri, a former mayor, and who's also a investor and a major retailer within Fiji. So essentially, they are here to provide advice and help implement many of the changes that are required in the municipality of Nadi, to provide better services, as I said. So that's the purpose. We had also a short briefing with the staff here this afternoon to meet the key managers, etc., within the municipality, to talk to them generally about the way forward. There's a number of exciting projects on foot in Nadi, as you know. There's the flood mitigation program that's been put in place, long-term view of having the river diversion. We have the 4-laning that will be under FRA coming out of Nadi Airport. So these are some of the key changes that will be exciting changes that will be taking place in Nadi. And of course, we need the municipality to be very much part and parcel and involved in that.